Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find the best deals on Flixbus. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus ticket or to launch your Flixbus account, which of course I have done right here. And it's very easy for you to get the Flixbus application. All right, so just head over to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. In the search bar of your app, go ahead and search for Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompts for you to download and install. After installing successfully, it's just going to take you right into this home page. That's just going to be it. So how can you find the best deals on Flixbus? So this is what the home page looks like. As you can see, it's really easy. It's really simple to use. So from here, from this From tab, go ahead and add the location, your departure location, and from the Store tab, go ahead and add your destination location. The part 10, you're going to have to use the calendar for you to select the date of your departure and use this calendar to select the date for your return. And here we have passengers and buyers. Go ahead and fill this out. How many people or how many persons will you be traveling with? If you're just one person, just add one person. Use the plus icon for you to add more and use the minus icon for you to reduce the number of passengers. You can add a child between 2 to 15 years and bike, traveling a wheelchair, and we salutes. So after filling out all of those, you can head over to click on the search bar, and that's going to take you right into this window where you're going to find a list of buses that are available for you, so you can choose from. Now, how do you find the best deals on Flixbus? You have to use the filter option, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So at the top right corner, use this filter option. So here you have departure. So do you want the best deals for earliest or for cheapest? Do you need the cheapest or do you need the shortest? So if you want to find the best deals, you can use the cheapest for you to see the deals that are very cheap for you and that are pretty cool for you. So just set this to price cheapest, and in here go ahead and click on the show three trips button, and here you're gonna have your options. So price cheapest, so it's cheapest, and show 3 trips. So these are the options available for you. These are the cheapest, and this pretty much looks like the best deals for you as at this point. So go ahead and select any of these and you will be good to go. So that's it. Find the best deal, click on filter and click set it to cheapest and show trips, and you're going to find the options here available for you. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.